Welcome back, student. This is the economics part 12, exception to the law of demand. Law of demand means price fall down, demand will increase. If this rule is not applicable, now means price fall down but demand also fall down, it is called exception to the law of demand. In other words, the price increases, the demand of the goods also increases, then it is called exception to the law of demand. In some cases, the law of demand is not applicable. So they are called exception to the law of demand. Case first, Geffen goods. Geffen goods means the consumer expends a large amount of his income on the inferior goods. That inferior goods is called Geffen goods. Suppose a labor expends a large amount of his income on the food grains of the lower class. Suppose he is purchasing the rice, that price is the 20 rupees per kg, and each month he purchased the 100 kg. So each month he will expense on the rice 2000 rupees. This is a large part of income which he expends on the rice. Now, if the prices of the rice of all types of rice prices increases, now in that case, because there is no any rice less than 20 rupees and this rice increase and becomes 25 rupees per kg. Now wheat, it increases from 18 to 25. Now the result will be, he will be start to make the more consumption of rice, because wheat is also increasing, rice is also increasing. The result will be, because wheat has become from 20 to 30 rupees per kg and rice has gone from 20 to 25 rupees per kg. In that case, the same quality of rice, he will start to make the more purchasing and he will reduce the consumption of the wheat. So price of the rice is increasing and demand is also increasing because he has no any option of inferior goods. So here the law of demand will not applicable. Secondly, articles of snowmobile, that is also those articles which are the status symbol. So whatever the price has been increased, the people will not reduce the consumption of such articles because this is the status symbol. For example, in your city, you know, the St. Mary's has a special status in the education, and it is a status symbol that my child make a study in the St. Mary's. So if the fee will be high, but the people will be continue to take the service of the school. But not it means that your principal will increase the fees. He always take the reasonable and the least amount from the city. This is the greatness of the school management. But this is a status symbol, that if the goods is of status symbol, in that case, if the price will be increased, even though the consumer will continue make the consumption, and some new customer will be include one, so price will increase and the demand will also increase. So law of demand will not applicable. Third exception about the future price. If you think that in the future the price will increase one, so in the present you will be ready to purchase the goods on the high price. As you have seen, when the first lockdown has been announced in the night, the potato rate was 20 rupees per kg. In the night, the people rushed to the shops and they purchased the potato 25 rupees per kg, 30 rupees per kg, 35 rupees per kg, and some places in Mirzapur they have purchased for 40 rupees per kg. Because they think that in the lockdown the price will hike one and they will not get the potato. So they will be ready to purchase just double price. But situation was everything normal. You are seeing from beginning until today, continue the price is the same one. The price of the commodities in the lockdown has been fall down, but not the price has been increased. Emergency. In the case of emergency, the law of demand will not applicable if you have the emergency of any medicine, if the price will be increased even though you will be ready to purchase. Change in fashion. If the fashion change, for the new fashion you will be ready to pay more money. So the price of the fashion always increases one, and the people are ready to pay because they want to maintain themselves according to fashion. Quality price relationship. If the quality of the commodities are increasing one and price is also increasing one, in that case the law of demand will not applicable. The price will increase, the demand will also increase one. So all these 6 cases, law of demand will not applicable. If the price will increase, the demand of these goods also increase. If the price will decrease, demand of these goods also decrease. Thank you.